So we are at Ikea right now, which I like to call the Great Eye because it is evil.
It's not evil, it's fantastic.
Is it fantastic?
I love Ikea.
Yeah. Well, a lot of people really love Ikea, and I don't actually hate Ikea. I don't know. I just don't get it. Like, it's big and there's...
Swedish.
Yeah. I just don't get it. It's just one of those things. I just don't get it. And so...
You don't have to.
That's true. I don't have to get it.
No.
As long as you like it, that's what matters. And so we are here at Ikea. We're actually going to meet Jordy and Allie here and the kids.
They're right there.
They're right there. Wow.
Right.
Yes. They're right there. And our kids...
They're asleep.
They're asleep. As you can see, they're asleep right now. And so... Oh, did he? Okay, well, why don't we go see him?
Okay.
Let's do that. And then we'll pop out, and I'm betting his first reaction is just going to be like, oh, here we go. Something like that.
Something all Australian.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi!
That is some
paint.
good gear you got going on there.
It's me and my glory.
Yes.
I'm gonna get the key.
Okay.
Oh, writing some letters. Which letter?
Daddy.
The letter.
Hi, how you doing?
You got a letter R today? Yeah.
That's a hard letter to do.
How did you spell it?
Sorry everybody, I just finished work.
That's okay.
We're all meeting here.
You do what you got to do.
Yeah.
And we do what we got to do.
Yeah.
And I'll let you do what you got to do.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
And you're doing?
In my doing. Very well.
You know her?
He just woke up.
I'm going to sign.
What are you here for today, Allie?
Nothing, actually. Just the food.
Just the food?
Yeah. Cheap food.
Good times?
Free babysitting.
Hey!
Why not?
I guess that's not so bad, is it?
Meatballs? Okay. Fries? Gravy? Say hi. Hi. He's like, where did that thing go?
In Australia, we call this a dummy.
A dummy.
A dummy. So we've always called it a dummy. We compromised. We called diapers instead of nappies.
Nappies, okay.
But the food they brought the dummy name.
There we go. Right on.
So no, we're not calling someone a dummy. We're calling food a dummy.
Thank you for the information.
Yes. Thought you'd like to know.
That's a big old pit of balls.
We just dropped the kids off at the play place
Nice.
in Ikea.
And so how long do we have?
We got 1 hour.
We have 1 hour.
Yes.
So let's make the best of it.
Yes.
Let's go eat.
Let's go get LED light bulbs because they're cheap.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
The cheapest. Cheap.
Well, there we go.
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pick
my
up the girls
basement. Yeah.
and go do our thing.
Did we already eat?
No.
I killed it. Boots on, she's like, you gotta take his boots off.
And you're
I'm
like,
like-
oh.
She's like, yes, it's for his own safety. So he did, and he was like,
Just a lie.
I think his hair put him over.
David, you need to
Do you really have to?
I am gonna eat this cake.
go.
Okay,
We
well,
have 1 hour.
you gotta go.
And TikToking. Let's go, Brack.
Okay.
Hurry up, eat the cake.
I mean,
Come on, Hobbiton.
you can watch me eat cake.
Do you want to get rid of this plate?
Yeah.
And you want that for?
Thanks, darling. Come on, just break into it. Swim. Just, it's saran wrap. Go, May. Oh, Josh. Oh. Come on, Bracken.
Oh, I'm going.
Pop 2 sweets.
So, you remember when we were in Grand Forks and we were at the ice cream shop and Annabelle came up to everybody and asked them for more ice cream? She came up to me and asked me for my cake. My whole cake.
Oh, poor puppet.
Yeah. Luckily, Jordan was right there. And he's like, no. So like how I said no? I didn't say no, I said no.
Yeah,
I will. That's good. You get me eating this whole thing? This is so good, you have no idea. Tell me he is not eating my cake. Tell me he is not eating my cake. Oh, that's it, it's on.
Bye-bye, juice. These carts are the best, man. See, they go like this.
I'll give you this. You can't do that in Walmart.
Nope, no way.
Okay, I know Sam was looking for these. Hey, baby. Here. Caught it. Allie. Oh.
Up, buddy.
I got extra cutlery. Yeah. Of course, Jordy goes for the kangaroo first.
Kangaroo.
So yeah, I don't know if you have one of these. These little apple decor thingies. They're so good. Like we bought one a little while ago, and yeah, you just take it and stick it on the top of the apple and just bonk, and it decors your apple.
It's done. Whatever happened to a knife?
Yeah, who cares?
No, seriously, like, why do you need this if I have a knife?
Because it's easier.
Bye. See ya.
This place is crazy. It's seriously crazy. You go from one kitchen into another kitchen, and it's crazy. Cause then you go into another kitchen.
Dave.
It's crazy.
Dave.
Yes.
Dave.
Yes.
It's called Ikea.
I know.
They sell kitchens. Dave,
Well, yeah,
they
but-
sell kitchens here, Dave.
Yes, I am aware of
like,
that.
That's why they're here. They're display of kitchens, Dave.
Yes, but it's like sections of like the house that are just here.
You just wait until we get to the bedroom section, and then it's like bedrooms and bedrooms, and then you wait till you get to the. Anyway.
By the time we get there, I'm gonna be going to sleep in those bedrooms. Is what I am doing. Whoa! What's new? Oh,
It's different. It's like bright.
Oh, you see that it's bright here, Jordy. They sell bright here. Just what every kid needs. Broccoli.
So that wasn't that bad, hey man?
Okay, I guess it wasn't that bad. Ikea's okay because, hey, we got chocolate.
And it's not Walmart, so it's not really the great evil, right?
Oh, yeah, I guess it's not really the great evil,
It's
but it really
Swedish,
was.
man.
And how much did you spend in there?
We spent less than $20.
You spent less than $20, and did you find what you were looking for?
No. We found all the gadget crappy stuff that I was looking for, but I
Okay.
wanted LED light bulbs and I didn't have what I wanted.
Oh, how could they?
I know.
Yeah.
How much you spend?
$130.
$130. Last time we spent $700, so don't worry.
Oh, okay. Well, Sam got a lot of props and stuff for the photography and stuff like that. So she likes to come here for that sort of thing.
Nice.
But anyway, yeah, that's IKEA right
Ikea.
there. You can see it. See it?
Ikea's backwards.
I still say it's the Great Eye because if you look over there,
You'll see this big, massive tower that says IKEA on it.
Ah,
and before the store was even here, they had this IKEA sign like sticking up in Winnipeg, and so it's like the Great Eye of Sauron.
Yeah. Mordor?
Yeah,
Sauron?
yeah. So it was all like evil. That's where I got that from. Yeah,
It's not that bad.
it's not that
Meatballs
bad.
are good. Fish is good.
Actually, yes, we had some good supper tonight too.
Yeah, that was really
pretty
good dessert.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah,
This is, what's his name? D.
Yeah.
He's D.
he's Jay.
It's DJ Daddy Star.
Yes, it is.
DJ Daddy Style.